we going past that scaffold bike?
That what?
That scaffolding bike is up round this way, isn't it?
What, in Calne?
Yeah.
I can't remember which way I've sent us now.
I didn't even bother looking. I just assumed we was using the same route.
It doesn't really matter what we plan, we never fucking stick to it.
I know, but it is nice to have a plan, isn't it?
He won't remember what he was planning last time.
Well, it depends which one of me planned it.
Exactly, rhubarb or custard. Right.
But in answer to your question, yes we are. Have you ever seen that, Derek? That push bike, that motorbike made out of scaffold pole? Have you ever seen that motorcycle made out of scaffold poles? Ah, I think we're going down through there. This is that garage where we filled up on the way back, Steve, from the lakes.
Well, you had a right moan about the woman being unprofessional.
Useless. Oh no, that was where was that? That was down.
Oh, that was in bloody Somerset. That was.
Yeah. Well, don't fucking nod then, you miserable bastard.
And that's the other Nigel.
Yeah. Split personality.
There he is.
Yeah. Pump number 3, please, love. Show us your tits.
Now that was that petrol station where I got really clever and robbed the water out of the roses to clean my windshield.
he did. Out the fucking buckets with the roses in them.
Health and safety first.
I'm surprised nobody's changed the banking hub to the wanking tub.
Well, they could do.
Oh,
if they're about to.
We should have gone that way.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
See, I get distracted. We were at the banking. No, it's another makeler, an Aura. Never heard of them. Should we turn round?
Yeah.
Oh, we can go around the loop, look. We can go around the loop.
Can we go around the loop?
Here we go loopy loop, here we go loopy light, here we go loopy loop, all on a Saturday night.
What fucking loop are we going round then?
There's one on your right up here.
Say? Yeah.
I don't know. My Carpia ride screen is frozen. So.
Oh, is it? Oh no, we're gonna have to turn round.
Yeah, there's a junction down here. We'll turn round there. Oh, it's saying down here and hang a left.
Yeah,
turn left.
If we go down New Road, it will take us back onto.
Yeah, we'll go down here then. See, it said that on my school report. Easily distracted.
Among other things.
Never heard of that. An Aura.
Aura.
What the hell is that?
Yes.
Oh no, it's got us doing a.
It's telling us to get out of this roundabout and turn round.
If you go straight on and then bear left.
You lying bastard. Let's go straight on and then we'll bear left then.
Yeah, and that takes us.
Well, mine isn't saying
We're just
that.
avoiding.
No, mine's not.
We're avoiding the roadworks.
See, the map was right.
Yeah.
It's just numbnuts needs to pay attention again.
Turn right at the top here.
Oh yeah.
Good job you're not a surgeon, isn't it? Oops.
Should we hang a right here? Yeah, you wait there, you
could
fucker.
do, couldn't we? Yeah, you wait.
Over the bridge over the River Kwai.
Right, we are back on track.
I don't know, because mine's still telling me to go down there and turn
Oh
round.
no, it's saying turn right.
Yeah, it'll skip waypoint in a minute.
Skip a waypoint, yeah.
Yeah, because you had one just round the corner, didn't you?
No. Mine is still saying...
Parcel delivery's just about to chuck it over somebody else's fucking hedge.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, look, there's one of the little horses, the white horses.
It is up on the right, left.
Oh, yeah. Just as well there wasn't a turning here, otherwise we'd have missed another one.
Yeah, we'd have all been looking at the horses and go past the fucking turning.
Well, after riding with you today, Nick, I realised what Nige has to put up with. I thought I was going to be worse today because I was feeling like crap last night.
Oh, it's driving me mad, this cough.
You've been lucky though, Derek, so far. You haven't had all 27 verses of the lung cancer fucking overture.
And we haven't heard that Tour de Faf phrase yet.
No, not yet.
And I'm not going to say it.
No, not yet. Nice view back over the valley, look at that.
Very nice.
Quite low, isn't it?
It is, isn't
Quite
it?
level. You'd almost think that's fucking Somerset.
Glorious Somerset.
Incestuous Somerset.
Well, we just don't get out much, do we? Sharp left in a minute.
My wife's fucking tongue sharper than that. Pothole.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so when you're talking, perhaps that's why Steve was always talking like that before, because he was going over bumps.
It could be. Mind you, yours has been doing that off and on today.
Don't fucking lie. I'm on a BMW. Oh, look. Nice. Bet you have a nice, quiet, peaceful ride normally, don't you, Derek?
See, the way we deal with it, Derek, is we think, imagine what it's like in his head all the time.
Because we only usually hear one voice at a time, don't we?
Yeah.
There's another white horse straight ahead.
Yep. This is all the small ones, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I said to old John, Nod Slokin, we'll have to have a day where we do all 7 of them in a day.
That sounds like Bonnie Blue.
I think there's 7 in there in Wiltshire.
I think there is, yeah.
Are we all going to get 8? Yeah, we are, that.
Nice.
This is a nice road.
Apart from the potholes and ridges and tram lines and...
I was surprised. I was anticipating him to hit warp speed as soon as he saw those fucking national speed limit signs.
Yep.
Yeah.
I said I think there's 6 or 7 in Wiltshire.
Yeah, we could do all them, the Fovant badges, and make a day of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Fovant badges, yeah.
Or we could stop in that pub at Lower Woodford.
There we go, Steve's on the pubs already.
Well, I was just thinking about that landlady in her suspenders and tie-high leather boots.
Yes.
Yeah.
And her whisk.
And Nige saying, I better not put that in because we might want to go back again.
If I'd have left it in, we'd have gone back a couple of months later and she'd have spotted us, and then she'd have come out of there in an apron, in her thigh-length boots with a whisk in her fucking hand and just winked at me.
Yeah. With nothing else on.
Morning, Nigel.
We're all right. I can get distracted for another 2.3 miles.
Yes.
It's a nice bend.
2.3 miles.
Nobody say a word for 2.3 miles.
No. The trouble is, we can be quiet and he's still arguing in his head.
Well, you put the fucking waypoint in, didn't you? No, I didn't.
Look, bush, speed sign, bush, tree.
Pheasant on your left, one that's still alive.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, he's in the bush.
Got it.
Yeah.
He says, I'm out of here, that fucking Tostavin's coming.
He thought he got away with that.
Have you been here before, Derek? Avebury, the whole village is surrounded in a circle of stones.
Look at them all. All Neolithic stones, bit like Stonehenge.
I mean, you could go in there and have a coffee if you want.
It's got number plate record. Yeah, that's our coffee.
It's got, as long as you go in there, it's got number plate recognition on the car park.
What's the car park like though? Is it full?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah. Shall we? Ignore that. Although there was one up by the brick wall.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah. There's a bit of a car
Yeah, I
park
would
down
imagine.
there on the right as well. I don't know what it's for.
There. That's if you want to go in the visitor centre and that.
Oh no, you don't want to pay.
Ah, my remote key's not in range because it's got a piss poor weak battery apparently.
Well, even though you put a new one in.
Yeah.
That was a bloody expensive
Sure.
one I gave you as well.
It was a Duracell. wasn't
Yeah.
it? Matey boy's coming out.
That's good.
Should we feed him in here?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. How many we get in there?
You'll be all right. I'll go right up in the corner.
One GS and a push bike.
I'll run over the rat box in the corner.
You ain't going to believe this, but there's a car just about to move.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Ah,
I'm
well,
in there.
we're in here now. Yeah, the whole village is surrounded in stone circles. I put my drone up over here once. Brilliant from the bloody sky. Avebury. And then just down towards the main road there's Silbury Hill.
Which is the largest man-made hill in the UK.
Is it, or is it Europe?
Europe, probably.
Well, I'm sorry, but I was waiting for all these bloody adventure bikes to go on a bit of rough tarmac.
Right, what wanker didn't start the back camera recording?
That'll be you. That'll be you.
Well, I thought I did. It wouldn't have run out already, would it? 100%. It ain't been on.
So you didn't switch it on, did you?
What an arsehole.
Well, he's only admitting what we all know.
What a bell end.